Okay. Hi guys, welcome to my session. In today's session, let's discuss about the clauses. And previously, in the previous session, we have discussed about the operators. We have seen many types, different types of operator: arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, special operator, set operator, concatenation operator, other operator. Set operator we will discuss at the end of the tutorial. Okay guys, special operator also we have seen with all the examples. And today's session, let's discuss about clauses. See, clauses also is one of the main topic in SQL, because clauses will use in the select command. Many clauses are going to use in the select command. Select command. See, clause. See, using clause. See, clauses in select command. How we will use means clauses in select command. How will you use in the clauses in the select command? For example, syntax for the select command. What is the syntax for the select command? Syntax for the select command is select. We will write the uh, all or distinct. Okay, let me complete. Select. We will give the columns list. What are all the columns we required? We will give all the columns list from right, from table name. We will give the table name, and will give this is the select command syntax. Actually, in select command syntax we will use different types of commands. Clauses we will use. In select command we will use different types of clauses. What kind of a clauses? In clauses, in select command, clauses are many types of clauses are available in the select command. So clauses we will have. Generally, clauses means what type of a clauses we can. Clauses is a part of a query. It is a part of a query. Every query has its own purpose. Every clauses is used to perform the particular task. Every query is made up of the clauses. Clause is a part of a query. Every clause has its own purpose. Every clause is used to perform the particular task only. It is every query is used to perform the particular class. Every query is made up of a with clauses. See, in the clauses, what is a clause? Generally, we will call it a clause. See, we will have the select command. Select command clauses are select in the above select command clauses are, it is mentioned as select is one of clause, and from also one, it is where, and distinct, and order by, and group by, and having. All this will be considered as a clauses. All these are considered as a clauses. How we will use all these types of clauses in the select command? See, we can use all the select command, all these clauses in the select command. Generally, this is the select command query syntax. See, in this syntax, we will use all these clauses. How we can use? Select, select. We will write distinct. Here in the columns, before to the columns list, we will write the distinct. If you want to find it from table name, after the table name, how can where clause also we will use to filter the condition. Where where we will give the condition, And after the where clause, we can also give the group by on which condition will give will perform the group by column list. Group by column list. This group by column list, what are the group by column list? Where whatever we are using the columns here, that all consider as a group by column list whenever we are using the group by clause. So after the group by, we will use having clause. Having clause. So how can we perform the having clause? We will write the having and group by condition. So after the having, we can also use the order by clause. Order by class. How order by class be classified? In the order by class, we will write the columns, whatever the whichever the column required order. I will write that column list. How we require, either it is ascending or descending, like this. This is the conditions. These are all the clauses where we will use in the select command. See, these are all the clauses where we have used it in the select statement itself. See, if you want to know, there is a execution order for the all the clauses. These all the clauses where all these are all clauses where distinct, order by, group by, having, all this can be called as clause. So these clauses have the execution order. Execution order. What is the execution order? We cannot write incorrect method. Order for clauses. Order, the execution order. See, this execution order, we have different types of. See, we cannot write this. See, here in this, there is a not executable order. Why? Because there is a incorrect order. See, after the select command, it is a from. After the from, there is a where. Where is the distinct? After the distinct order by. This is the incorrect order. So, what is the correct method? What is the correct order for having the execution of these clauses? First is from. First we need to write from. After that where. After that group by. After that having. After that select. After that distinct. After that order by. This is the execution order. Actual execution order. See, here I have written, for example, in the select command, here I have written the order by. After this where condition only. See, after this where condition, I have written the group by here in this select command. So it is executable now. If I write where condition after this group by, means it will not be executed. This is the incorrect order. This SQL syntax, SQL will not accept these incorrect orders. SQL has some properties, some rules. So to execute these queries, so to follow that rules, we need to execute in a correct manner only. So we cannot execute our own methods, own orders like this. So SQL has some properties, rules, so we should follow that execution method. See, execution order for the clauses, how can we order this one? Select, order, select, where, and group by, having, select, distinct, and order by. This is the correct execution method. So in this method only we need to execute all the clauses. Okay. See, generally select So we have different types of select. What is the main reason for the select? What is the meaning for the select? Why it is used? It is used. Select is used to specify the column list. Select is used to specify the column list. Select clause. Select clause is used to specify the column list. And from clause. From clause. Why this is used? So from clause is used to specify the table name. In the same way, where clause. Why this will be used? Where clause is used to specify condition, filtering the table by using the condition. This condition will be applied on every row. Where clause, every row. It filters all the rows. It filter all the rows. It filter all the rows. This condition will be applied on every row. Okay, this is about the select clause, main clauses description. These are all about the main clauses description. So in the same way, uh, where group by clause. What is a group by and where it is used? How it is used? It is it is used to group the records according to the specific column. Group the records according to specific column. It is used to group the records according to the specific column. Okay, understand? Um, Select command is used to specify the column list. So, in the same way, from is used to specify the table name. Example, table name from employees table, from departments table, like this. So, in the same way, where is used to specify the condition. So in the employees table I need to check whether salary is having greater than 10,000 employees, like this. So likewise, where is used in the same way. Group by how will use it? In group by department number 10, 20, 30. We will use the group by department, or group by on job column. So on job column, so likewise we will use it. In the same way, after the group by having clause. What is the uses of having clause? It is used to write the condition on a group filters. Write the condition on group filters. In group filters only this having clause will be used. This also it will also filter the condition only on group by condition, group by columns only on group by columns. So in the same way, distinct. What is the usage of a distinct? Distinct is used to avoid the duplicate rows. To avoid the duplicate rows. So distinct department number, if I write means department ID, if I write means we have different types of a department IDs. We have seen, see, different types of department IDs. So in this it will distinct the department, so it will not give the similar department ID again and again. It will only give one time, so it will avoid the duplicate rows. This is the usage of a distinct. So what is the order by clause? What is order by? It is used to arrange the records in ascending or descending order. This is the usages of clauses. These are all the usages of clauses. Got it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, um, let's go into the joins. Let's discuss about the joins. What is a join? Actually, what is a join? Join is nothing but in the name itself it is showing that it will combine, it will connect, or it will link between the two tables. It is by joining, it is used to retrieve the data from the multiple tables. This is called as a join. So join means nothing but join means nothing but it will combine, or it will link, or it will connect. It is called join. So join is used to retrieve the data, from multiple tables. This is join. See, for example, we have in the college, for example, if you consider one college, in that college we have students, marks, fees, staff, branches, all these column names are available in the college table. So students and marks, two tables are available. In the students table, all the information about the students, and the marks table, all the marks related to the student. It is linked with one single row. It is connected, these two tables are connected, are linked. So by using this connected linked column, we will join the condition. How we will join the condition? We have so it combines one table record with another table based on some condition. This condition is called as a join. Actually, we already discussed about this one. See, we'll make the by using that condition, we will make the join into multiple tables by using the by using the linked column in each table. So we have different types of joins. In SQL to discuss. mainly inner join, inner join and left outer join and right outer join, and fourth one full outer join. These are the main joins in SQL. So instead of this we have non-equi join also is there, self join also is there, cross join also is there, but generally in the real time we will use only this four. By using these four types we will retrieve the data whatever how expected outputs whatever we required. So we will discuss about this in detail about joins one to one. So first let's discuss about the inner join. What is the inner join? Discuss about the inner join. See, if I want to tell you means in clearly, I'll open the paint. See, consider this as table, this as table 1, and this as table 2, table 1, table 2, T1 and T2, table 1 and table 2. So these tables are connected with one common column, one common column. So these tables are connected, are joined with one column, column. So by using that column we will utilize these joins by using by four types. So first one is inner join, inner join, inner join. See, first type is already we have discussed that one. We have four types of joins: inner join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. See, inner join. So this one table 1 and table 2 will interact with it, and see, this inner join will give the common records between both of the tables. Will fetch the data, this fetch the data common records from both of the table, common records from both of the table. This inner join will be used from T1 T2, common records will be fetched. This is about inner join. In the same way, in the same way, in the same way, this one T1 table 1 and T2, this can be mentioned as left outer join, left outer join. What is the left outer join? Left left outer join from T1 table. So it can be specified as from T1 table whatever the matching records from the T2 table. T1 table, all the records will be displayed here. T1 table, all the records will be displayed here, but whereas the T2 table, records matched with T1 table only displayed. Got it, guys? In the left outer join, all the T1 table data will be displayed along with T2 table matching records. In the same way, in the same way, in the same way, T1, T2, this is right outer join. This is right outer join. See, this what right outer join will do? So it will display the records whatever available in the right outer join in the right table. So and it will display the whatever the matching records are available in the left outer join. It will give full data. See, it will display the matching record. It will display all the records from the right outer join, and also it will fetch whatever the similar data from the left table. Likewise, in the same way, full outer join. What is a full outer join? See, full outer join. What is a full outer join? It will display all the records from both the table whether it is a matched or unmatched. It will display all the records from both the tables whether it is a matched or unmatched records. Full join, full outer join. These are all the joins. These are all the joins. We have four types of joins in the SQL. So first one is inner join. Inner join will give from two tables we are joining here, like T1 and T2. From T1 and T2, whatever the similar data is available from T1 and table T2, it will display only the matching records. So whereas coming to the left outer join, so it will display the records, all records from the T1 table, and it will display whatever the matching records from the T2 table. Whereas in the right outer join, it will display all the records from the T2 table, and it will display the only the matching records from the T1 table. In the same way, full outer join, it will display all the records from the both the tables whether it is matched or unmatched. This is about joins. This is about the joins, types of joins are involved in the SQL. So we will this how it will be used, and what are the use cases, let us see deeply along with the examples. Now, okay guys, understand? See, first let's discuss about the inner join. What is inner join? If if the join operator is performed based on the equality condition, then it is called as a inner join, equijoin. So for equijoin, common columns is required. So this common columns name need not to be same. So for example, we have the employee and the department table. We have the employee and the department table. See, if you check here, select star from employees. Employees table is available. See, this employees table and department, in employees table we have the department ID. See, along with it we have the select star from departments table also are available in the in our database. Departments table, we have department department table is available. Okay, select. Okay, see, we have department table. See, in this department table, department ID column is available. So in the employees table also department ID column is available. See, these two tables are linked with the department ID column, common column. Got it, guys? So by this common column we will make the join condition, and we will fetch the data whatever required by using this join condition. See, for example, if I want to fetch the data, so if the interviewer asks means display the employee details along with the department details. Along with the department details, he will ask. Interviewer ask means, so how can we ask? He is asking about the two tables details. He is asking about the two tables details. One is employees detail and the other is departments details. How can we write it? By using the join condition. So how can we perform the join condition? By using the common column. Got it, guys? By using the common column. So how can we write the join condition now? Select star from, we will not write the star now. Actually we will write the star from one table only. Now we will write the table names whatever required in the employees table. Employees table. In the employees table I require the employee ID, comma first name, comma last name, I need it, and phone number also need it, and job ID I required, I need it, and salary also I need it. So let's remove the last name. No need this many too much columns. So salary are required, and also um, I need it from this I need it this from employees table I need this these columns, and from departments table, if you execute this one, from departments table I need department ID, department ID column, department name column, and okay, these two columns from the department table. So I need to fetch the data these two columns list from both the tables. So I need to join the condition. Now I have taken the select. What is the select? It is easy to specify the columns whatever required. So I have mentioned this one. So after that I need to from which table I need to table name I need to mention. From clause is used to specify the table name. So I am mentioning that employees table. Why? Because we have given the employees column details. So I am taking the employees table. Employees table I have given, comma, two tables I have given already, employees and departments. So I am giving the department table as well. So two tables I have given. So from that, here up to that is completed. Two columns list I have taken, and departments column list I have taken. So I have given the table name, department table name I have given. From now, what is the condition? I need to specify the condition by using the joining condition. What the joining condition? Similar common column. By using the common column, I need to give the condition. How I can give? Where what is the common column here? Department ID. Department ID equal to department ID. Department ID. So up to here it is completed, right? See, if I execute this one means it will not, this SQL will give the error. SQL will give the error. Column ambiguously defined. It is telling that column ambiguously defined. So what does it means? It is asking to, it is asking to give the alias name for each the column names and the table names. So it is asking like this. For the employees table all, I am giving E. For the columns names, E dot column name, employees table name dot column name. Same way, table name dot column name, table name dot, I'm giving the table name as a alias name E. So that's why I'm mentioning E dot. So in the same way, E dot, this is also table name, employees table, but the department ID I have taken from the departments table. So for the departments table, I'm giving the alias name as D dot. So I'm giving the D dot. So employees table, what is the alias name I have taken? E. So what is the alias name for the departments table? D. Up to here is completed. A condition is available here in the bottom. So condition I need to give from which table this condition is applicable. One is from employees table, the other one is departments table. Likewise, I am fetching the data from both the tables. See, now I have got all the details along with the employee details along with the department table. Got it, guys? Likewise, we can perform the join condition on both the tables, both, not both, many tables. We can join three tables. Likewise, we can join the four tables as well. We can join six tables as well. We can join many tables. How many tables are that we can join? See in the join, we have two types of styles we can write in the join condition. We can use the join condition. We can write the join condition in two types in Oracle. So first one is join. I completed the join. The first one is types of joins. We have two types of joins. First one is Oracle style, and second one is Yancey style. Two types of joins are available in the Oracle. So we have written whatever we have written in the above example here, this one, this can be considered as Oracle style. This is the Oracle style. We have written in the Oracle style. So the other way we have the ANSYS style. ANSYS style also we have two types of styles. We can perform the join condition by using this two styles. One is Oracle style and the ANSYS style. And generally in real time we will use, most of the persons are going to use in the Oracle style only. So ANSYS style is nothing but old style. That means old style that before 2010, in that older versions we have many of them utilize this ANSYS style. Now the new style is Oracle style. So we can utilize both the styles in the SQL. Whether you can utilize the Oracle style or some of them can utilize the ANSYS style, your wish. But to join the condition, we have two types of styles to join. One is Oracle style and the other one is ANSYS style. ANSYS style is nothing but we are using the using condition. So same, see, we have. I will take this one. This is the Oracle style. This is the Oracle style. I have taken all the in the select columns. I have taken all the columns, and from I mentioned from, and I taken the comma, and after that I have given the other table name. So I have given the filter condition. So this is the Oracle style. This is the Oracle style. In the ANSYS style, similar way it is there. ANSYS style. See, if you write or if you take the same select command. See, if you take the select command here, after that from, I am taking the employees table, E is the last name. In the ancestral I am taking the last name E. After that I will write the inner join. So here I did not mention any inner join, left outer join, right outer join. So I have given only the comma here. I have written only the comma here. This is the older version. Sorry, this is the older version, Oracle style. And now the new version is ANSYS style. ANSYS style in real time usage, we will use all the ANSYS style only. See, if I want to join if I want to use the left outer join means we will write the plus symbol here. So this is called left outer join. If I want to right outer join in the older version, I will write the plus symbol this side. So this is the right outer join. If you want to write the full outer join means I will make the union for both the two tables. Likewise, this is the older version, Oracle style. So in the new version, ANSYS style, so I will write the from table E and I will write the inner join from departments D. I have mentioned directly here inner join. I did not written any comma like this. So after that, I will give the condition using on condition. So now E dot similar departments, instead of where I am using the on here, department ID equal to D dot department ID, This is the ANSYS style. See, above here Oracle style I written comma and I given the other table name and I have used the where clause here. But in the ANSYS style I am using the from table, one table here. After that I am not using the comma, I am giving the inner join. If I want to the left outer join, I will mention the left outer join instead of inner join. If I want to make the use the right outer join, I will write the right outer join instead of inner join. So full outer join instead of inner join, I will write the full outer join directly between the two tables. So whenever I am writing the condition, I will not mention the where clause here in the ANSYS style. Only I will give the on. After that I will write the condition from both the tables. So this is the ANSYS style. So if I execute this one means the same record, same result will be displayed in the below. Same records and same details will be displayed in the below. This is about joins and types of joins are involved in the to execute the join condition. And we have seen the inner join. We have seen the inner join. mm, mm, okay. Okay, now for example, in an interview, I think you guys are understand the types of joins, what we are using the join conditions, and we have the four types of joins we already mentioned: inner join, or left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. So in the inner join, in the inner join, let's go other example. For example, in the select star from employees, where is the employees table? See this employee table. For example, this employee table who has called name as um, Herman, who has a name called Herman. I need to check his department name as well. See, in the interview, he will ask display the Herman record along with his department details. He will ask. He will ask display the Herman detail. He will give the first name directly. He will give the Herman details along with department details. He will ask directly. So in this case, how can we write? Select. I will write. I will write a dot. I will take employee. I am taking the whatever the required columns are there. I am taking e dot first name also I need it, comma e dot phone number also required, e dot hire date, okay, and e dot job id, e dot salary. This one from departments table. I need what data, what columns are required from departments table, comma d dot department id, comma d dot department name. I need these two columns from the department table. So from I'm writing, I have taken from both the columns. Which columns? Employees table, employees, and I'm giving the list name E. Inner join. We can write inner join or inner. Anyone can be written. From departments table, departments table D, and I'm giving the on. I'm mentioning this query with ANSI method on. Now we should give the condition. What is the condition? The common column. I'm giving the common column, the condition for both the columns which is having the common column. So what is the common column? In E departments table, department ID is the common column, equal to D dot department ID. This one I'm getting. So for example, if I execute this one means, see, for example, if I execute this one means I'm getting what it is, D dot department ID. What happened to this one? Missing keyword. Okay. For example, if I execute this one means it is showing all the records. It is showing all the records. But the interview, he asked me only to display the hammer record. Whose name is to display the which record? Okay, let's take the Jennifer record only. I don't want all the records, only the Jennifer record I required. So in that case, I need to mention in the condition itself, I'm going to insert the condition, one more condition. So whenever I'm going to insert the one more condition, what should I write? And condition. What is the and? So from the employees table, e dot first name equal to, I'm writing the this name, first name. Now I'm executing this one condition I have given. So if I execute this one means only I will get the Jennifer records only. So we have two Jennifers in this table, so I have got the Jennifer records only. Instead of all getting all the records, I have got only the two records, Jennifer records only. In this way we can use the execute the inner join. Okay, in some cases interviewer will ask, so display the employee records along with the department details. Okay, display the employees who are working in location Chicago, like this. See, in the departments table we have the location also. So location ID. Display the employee records who are working with the location ID 1700. For example, if I want to check, he's asking, I need to check the employee who is working with the employee records who are working with the location ID is 1700. So in the same way we can execute this query. I have taken these columns: phone number, head, date, salary, department ID, department name. Instead of this, I am taking one more column. See, d dot location ID. I have taken the location ID column as well. So now from I have given the from tables and I am executing and giving the condition on what is the condition? E dot department ID equal to d dot department ID, same. E dot department ID equal to d dot department ID. If I execute this one means all the records will be displayed. So but I don't want all the records. Only I need the who are working the in the location ID 1700 plus only I need it. So in that way I'm adding the new condition and adding the new condition by using this and d dot location ID equal to 1700. If I execute this one means, so I have got all the records who are working in the location ID 1700. So like this I can find different types of scenarios. I can troubleshoot the different, I can retrieve the data from different conditions by using this inner join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, like this. See, inner joins already I mentioned that it is only for the matched records only. Inner joins is the matched records. It is only for the matched records. In the same way, let's discuss about the full outer join. Full outer join. Full outer join, which one? What is use cases for the full outer join? It will give the output with matched and unmatched records. Matched plus unmatched records. See, I already mentioned that both the tables, all the records will be displayed here in the full outer joins. It is displaying the both the table records, whether it is a matched or unmatched records. See, in the inner join, it is only displaying the matched records in between here. So it is displaying all the records from both the tables, whether it is a matched or unmatched records. So this is the outer join. So inner match will give the matched records only. To get the unmatched records also, we can use the outer join. Okay. Okay, guys, understand? Guys, please respond. Hello, Imtiaz and Akash.
Sir,
Okay, are you guys are able, listening, right?
sir,
వింటున్నారా మీరు నేను చెప్పింది? హలో,
సార్
వింటున్నాను సార్.
వింటాను.
అదే అర్థమైంది కదా మీకు? ఇన్నర్ జాయిన్ అనేది ఎందుకు యూస్ చేస్తారు, అవుటర్ జాయిన్ అనేది ఎందుకు యూస్ చేస్తారు?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
సార్,
ఒక్క నిమిషం, నేను వాటర్ తాగొస్తాను. ఒక్క నిమిషం, నేను ఇప్పుడు వాటర్ తాగొస్తాను. ఓకే గైస్, ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెక్ చేసుకుంటే మనం ఫుల్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్ని, ఇక్కడ ఫుల్ అవుటర్ గురించి కదా మనం చెప్పుకుంటుంది. ఓకే ఓకే, ఇఫ్ ద ఇంటర్వ్యూయర్ ఆస్క్ ఓకే ఇంతియాజ్ మెసేజ్డ్ మీ. Okay, Imtiaz, okay. Okay, Imtiaz, you can leave. Akash, let's discuss about the full outer join and let's leave the class for today. Let's check one example for the full outer join.
Okay, sir.
Okay, for example, if the interviewer asks, so display the employee records along with the departments table. Also, he is asking to display the employee who department is not assigned, and also the display the department in which employees are not existed. So for this condition, what will write? He is asking in the interview. He is asking to three steps. He is asking. He is asking display the employee records along with all the departments detail. It will fetch the details. Only the matching records. If you write them, he is asking only the matching records in the first detail from the employees table and the departments table. In the second step, he is asking also display the employees to whom department is not assigned. The employees table, some of the employees department, see, in the employees table, we have department ID 200, 270, 260, 230. All these department IDs are available here. But whereas in the employees table, see, 200, 260, all other department IDs are not available here. So but he is asking also display the employees whom department is not assigned. He is asking ఆ డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ ఉన్నవాళ్ళు లేని వాళ్ళు కూడా నాకు కావాలి, ఆ డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ లిస్ట్ తోటి డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఐడి డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నేమ్ కూడా నాకు కావాలి అంటున్నాడు. సో థర్డ్ పాయింట్ ఏమన్నాడు, ఆల్సో డిస్ప్లే ద డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ ఇన్ విచ్ ఎంప్లాయీస్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఎగ్జిస్టెడ్. ఆడేమంటున్నాడు, ఆ ఎంప్లాయీస్ టేబుల్లో ఆ డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్కి ఈ ఎవరెవరు లేరో ఆ లిస్ట్ కూడా కావాలంటున్నాడు. సో ఇలాంటప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, ఫుల్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్కి మనం ఆటోమేటిక్గా మనం ప్రిఫర్ చేస్తాం. ఫుల్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్ వల్ల మనకి అన్ని డీటెయిల్స్ వచ్చేస్తాయి. సో డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ టేబుల్లో అన్ని డీటెయిల్స్ వచ్చేస్తాయి. ఆ డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ టేబుల్లో లేని డీటెయిల్స్ నల్ వాల్యూస్ తోటి ఫిల్ అయ్యి మనకి డేటా వచ్చింది. సో సేమ్ అలాగే ఎంప్లాయీస్ టేబుల్లో ఉన్న డీటెయిల్స్ అన్నీ వచ్చేస్తాయి. సో డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ టేబుల్లో లేని డేటాకి ఈ డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్లోకి నల్ వాల్యూస్తో ఫిల్ అయ్యి అన్ని డేటా వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనం చెక్ చేసుకుంటే, మనం రాస్తే ఎలా రాస్తామంటే, ఇప్పుడు సెలెక్ట్ పైన ఉన్న కాలమ్స్ తీసుకుందాం. సెలెక్ట్, సో ఈ కాలమ్స్ తీసుకున్నాను. సెలెక్ట్ ఎంప్లాయీస్ టేబుల్, ఫస్ట్ నేమ్, ఫోన్ నెంబర్, హైట్, డేట్, జాబ్ ఐడి, శాలరీ, డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఐడి, డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ టేబుల్లో నుండి డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నేమ్, డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఐడి అండ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ లొకేషన్ ఐడి తీసుకున్నాను. ఫ్రమ్ ఎంప్లాయీస్ ఇక్కడ ఇన్నర్ జాయిన్ బదులు ఫుల్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్ ఇస్తాను. ఫుల్ జాయిన్ ఇచ్చి ఈ టూ టేబుల్స్ని కనెక్ట్ చేశాను. కండిషన్ ఇవ్వాలి కదా, ఆన్ ఏ కండిషన్ మీద ఇస్తాను, ఈ డాట్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఐడి ఈక్వల్ టు డి డాట్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఐడి అని కండిషన్ ఇచ్చేస్తాను. కండిషన్ ఇచ్చేసాక ఇంకా సెమికోలోన్ ఇచ్చేయచ్చు. సెమికోలోన్ ఇచ్చి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసేస్తే మనకి అన్ని డీటెయిల్స్ వచ్చేస్తాయి. డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ టేబుల్లో అన్ని డీటెయిల్స్ చూడండి. మనకి ఈ డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ టేబుల్లో మనకి ఇక్కడ ఈ టేబుల్స్ ఐడీస్, డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఐడీస్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. 200, 210, 220 ఇవన్నీ ఉన్నాయి డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ టేబుల్లో. ఈ డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ రికార్డ్స్ అన్నీ వచ్చాయి. దానికి లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్లో ఫిల్ అవ్వాలంటే నల్ వాల్యూస్ తోటి అన్నీ ఫిల్ అయిపోయాయి. ఏదైతే ఇక్కడ లేవో అన్నీ ఫిల్ అయిపోయాయి. అదే కొన్నిసార్లు మనకి ఇక్కడ లేనిది చూసారా, ఈ ఎంప్లాయీకి డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఐడియే లేదు. సో ఇలాంటప్పుడు ఈ రికార్డ్స్ అన్నీ వచ్చేస్తాయి. ఈ రికార్డ్స్లో వచ్చేసి నల్ వాల్యూ స్పెసిఫై అయిపోద్ది. ఇలా మనకి డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ టేబుల్ ఫిల్ అయిపోద్ది. ఇలా మనకి ఫుల్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్ యూస్ చేస్తాం. దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ ద ఫుల్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్, యూస్ కేసెస్ ఆఫ్ ఫుల్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్. Okay, up to now we have seen in today's session we have seen all the operators, and we have seen completed the clauses, and after that we have completed the two types of joins. In the next class, let's complete the left outer join and the right outer join. Okay guys, till then, thank you, bye. Let's end up today's class.